What's going on, guys? So today we are making roast breadfruit and callaloo. For starters, let's roast our breadfruit. So it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to roast the breadfruit. It really depends on the breadfruit itself or the fire. As you can see, we actually roasted it outside. But you can do so on your stove as well. You just need a fire and of course a breadfruit. So after roasting, we're just going to go ahead and peel it. So it's nice and pretty. So now that we're done peeling, now let's move on to cutting the breadfruit. We want to cut it in some small sizes. We want to remove this part here. We won't be eating this. Alright, so just going to pour a little oil in our frying pan. smash the like button if you like how this is looking. Look at it. Give me a like, give me a like. So now that the breadfruit is ready, we're just going to go and prepare the callaloo by removing the seeds and ensuring that no seeds are on it. Having removed the seeds, now we're just going to give them a little wash. You know, have to keep it nice and clean. And then we're going to cut them. Sounding so crunchy. Alright, so we're just going to cut the callaloo in some small pieces, and then we're going to put them in a container. Okay, so now we're going to prepare some vegetables. Just cut some vegetables. We have tomato, onion, sweet pepper or bell pepper. I don't know what you call it, but in Jamaica we call it sweet pepper. So I'm going to add the vegetables to a Dutch pot or whatever pot you have. Add some oil and just saute the vegetables a little. The vegetables are coming on very good. Tomato, green pepper or sweet pepper rather, and onion. So we're adding the callaloo to this, and then we're going to mix everything together, getting all the callaloo inside. Don't want to waste any of this good stuff. So we're just going to leave this to boil for a few minutes. Shouldn't take too long. So after boiling for a few minutes, you may notice that the callaloo, the size of it has shrunken a little, as it contains a lot of water. So the more it boils, the more the water evaporates, hence this size. So just giving it a nice stir. Alright, just checking on the callaloo once more, just to ensure that it's not burning. Just gonna stir it once more. Stir it up, little darling. Alright, enough of me singing. Now let's get some planting. I love me some planting. Let's go ahead and fry them. We want to be careful so that we don't burn ourselves with the oil in this frying pan. So the plantains burn very fast, so we have to ensure that we watch them, keep an eye on them, turn them, and take them out. Of course, it depends on how you like yours. We don't want them to be too burnt. Yes, we've come to the end of our video. I want to thank you so much for watching this. So this meal is perfect for vegetarians or for those who want a change from meat meals. It's a great substitute. So if you have enjoyed this video, please comment below what you've enjoyed. And if you will try this meal, let us know. Otherwise, subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell. Leave us a like, comment, share. Thank you. Remember to subscribe and click the bell.